the woman every man wants. In a captivating exploration of the intricate dynamics of attraction and the complexities of human relationships, Jordan Peterson presents a thought-provoking narrative that delves deep into the core elements of desirability. Peterson's discourse is a compelling journey into the labyrinth of attraction, with a keen focus on two pivotal facets: economic status and the power of refusal. Within this discourse, Peterson unveils the stark disparities in what each gender finds attractive, highlighting the substantial role that male economic success plays in elevating their desirability. In contrast, he illuminates the multifaceted nature of women's attractiveness, extending far beyond economic achievements and encompassing a diverse array of qualities. Central to this revelation is the potent concept of the power of refusal, a facet that sets women on a unique path of selectiveness in the realm of attraction. This analysis transcends the conventional boundaries of understanding attraction, shedding light on the intricate dance of human mating strategies. It not only challenges existing paradigms, but also offers profound insights into how individuals can navigate the intricate landscape of relationships, armed with a deeper comprehension of the forces at play and the societal expectations that shape our perceptions of desirability. Jordan Peterson's exploration ultimately invites us to re-evaluate our notions of what makes someone attractive, and the intricate web of factors that influence our choices in matters of the heart. Economic status and sexual attractiveness. Jordan Peterson delves into the intricate interplay between economic prowess and sexual desirability, unearthing a profound contrast in how society perceives men and women in the realm of attraction. At the core of Peterson's revelations lies a bold assertion: a man's financial standing acts as a magnetic force that lures romantic interest. This phenomenon, deeply entrenched in both evolutionary biology and societal norms, accentuates the allure of men who command substantial resources. Male economic success emerges as the key to unlocking the gates of sexual success, thereby spotlighting a pronounced gender disparity in the criteria that underpin desirability. In stark contrast, women navigate a distinctly different terrain where their economic achievements often fail to significantly augment their sexual appeal, and in some cases, may even diminish it. Peterson's exploration hints at a fundamental sexual dimorphism at play, emphasizing that the metrics of attraction are calibrated differently for men and women. This revelation illuminates the intricacies of human mating strategies, where economic viability and desirability interweave in a tapestry adorned with historical legacies and biological imperatives. As a result, Peterson's discourse compels us to reassess our understanding of the multifaceted nature of desire and partnership, challenging conventional notions and inviting us to embark on a deeper exploration of the complexities that govern the world of attraction and relationships. The sophisticated power of no. Jordan Peterson unravels a captivating concept at the core of his narrative: the extraordinary power wielded by women when they decline advances. This seemingly simple act takes on a profound significance, as it becomes a symbol of their elevated status, casting an enchanting aura of discernment that deeply resonates with men. Peterson's insights delve into the intricate realm of psychological theories, such as scarcity and perceived value, where refusal transcends mere boundary setting to emerge as a strategic instrument within the labyrinthine dynamics of attraction. The act of saying no signifies a woman's repository of choices and an unwavering commitment to not hastily capitulate to advances. It becomes a potent symbol of selectiveness that elevates her allure, particularly in the discerning eyes of high-status men. Rather than serving as a deterrent, such rejection is embraced as an enticing challenge, a testament to her worthiness, and a spark that kindles desire. Jordan Peterson's profound revelation embarks on a fascinating journey into the depths of human mating psychology, where the simple act of refusal takes on a transformative role as a symbol of empowerment. Paradoxically, this act becomes an irresistible magnet, defying conventional notions of passive acceptance in the face of advances. Peterson's discourse invites us to embrace a more nuanced understanding of attraction, one that transcends traditional stereotypes and highlights the intricate interplay of power dynamics that mold romantic encounters. In exploring this terrain, Peterson offers a captivating perspective on the intricate dance of human relationships. It challenges us to view attraction through a multifaceted lens and recognize that the dynamics at play are far more complex than they may initially seem. By acknowledging the significance of refusal as a source of empowerment, we are encouraged to navigate the intricate tapestry of human connections with a fresh perspective, one that celebrates the agency and selectiveness of individuals in matters of the heart. Gender differences in status achievement. Jordan Peterson's discussion transcends individual preferences to illuminate the broader panorama of how men and women forge and exhibit their status in the intricate tapestry of human dynamics. For men, the well-trodden path to status is often paved with economic productivity and benevolence, aligning seamlessly with their traditional roles as providers. This paradigm aligns with the historical expectations that men bear the mantle of material security and sustenance in relationships. In stark contrast, women embark on a labyrinthine journey where status is a multidimensional tapestry. It doesn't solely hinge on economic achievements, but intertwines with an intricate web of factors. Beauty, reproductive viability, and the often overlooked power of refusal are the threads that weave this complex fabric of desirability for women. These criteria echo a profound interplay between the depths of evolutionary biology and the heights of societal constructs, serving as a poignant reminder of the multifaceted nature of allure and desirability. This exploration invites us to contemplate the intricate dance of attraction, transcending conventional stereotypes to embrace the richness of diverse attributes that contribute to the tapestry of human connections. It calls for a deeper understanding of how these multifaceted elements converge to shape the narratives of desire and status, in a world that is far more intricate than it initially appears. Cultural reflections and relationship dynamics. The ramifications of Jordan Peterson's thought-provoking revelations resonate deeply, reverberating through the very core of cultural storytelling and the intricate tapestry of human relationships. Peterson's discerning eye turns towards the realm of female pornography, a genre centered on narratives where immensely attractive men are entranced by women who steadfastly withhold their consent, until a substantial emotional commitment is forged. While some may perceive these stories as mere fantasies, Peterson contends that they are in fact reflections of a profound truth: the optimal female reproductive strategy. These tales unveil a hidden narrative within human courtship, one that underscores the significance of discernment and the strategic deployment of the word no, as a means to secure a highly desirable mate. In this context, no isn't a mere rejection but a powerful tool of choice, wielded by women to forge deeper connections and ensure the commitment of their partners. It mirrors the timeless dance of attraction and commitment, echoing the evolutionary strategies that have shaped human relationships throughout history. This perspective invites us to re-evaluate cultural narratives, recognizing the underlying truths that often find expression in fiction. It encourages a deeper understanding of the psychology of attraction and the intricate dynamics that underpin our quest for meaningful and committed partnerships. In essence, it invites us to consider how our stories reflect the profound realities of human connection, framed by the power of selectiveness and the artful deployment of no in the pursuit of enduring love. Navigating modern relationships. Gaining a profound understanding of these intricate dynamics offers a treasure trove of insights for successfully navigating the complexities of modern relationships. It challenges individuals, regardless of gender, to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and introspection, prompting a reconsideration of their approaches to attraction and partnership. For women, embracing the potent tool of refusal becomes a declaration of self-worth and an exercise in strategic selectiveness. It empowers them to craft relationships on their terms, acknowledging their intrinsic value beyond societal expectations. By wielding the power of no judiciously, women can assert their boundaries, affirm their worthiness, and foster connections based on mutual respect. For men, Peterson's discourse encourages a profound shift in perspective. It urges them to broaden their definition of female attractiveness, transcending the conventional fixation on economic success. By recognizing the diverse facets of what makes a woman desirable, men can embark on a journey towards more meaningful and authentic connections, unburdened by rigid societal expectations. Jordan Peterson's profound analysis, enriched by a tapestry of psychological and sociological wisdom, beckons us toward a transformation in our comprehension of attraction and relationships. It serves as a resounding call to action, challenging us to reconsider conventional paradigms. Within its depths lies an exploration of the intricate and multifaceted nature of human mating strategies, unveiling the intricate interplay of economic status, power dynamics, and societal norms. As we journey through the evolving landscapes of human relationships, these insights emerge as guiding beacons, illuminating the path to partnerships that are not only more fulfilling but also more equitable and enriching. Peterson's discourse encourages us to embrace a nuanced understanding of attraction, one that transcends simplistic stereotypes, and invites us to navigate the intricate tapestry of human connections with wisdom and empathy.